Hey, what is up, guys? So today we are going to be playing some Happy Wheels. Yes, I said it, Happy Wheels. And oh my god, I don't know what happened. So I don't know if you guys like play this or anything. Shoot, that almost killed me. Whatever. But yeah, this is a pretty fun game. I forgot what this is called. Holy crap! Hold up. Hi. Hi, you want to chase me? Hold up. Okay, 3. Damn it! Damn it. Go. Oh shoot. He almost fell. Okay, whatever. So, new game. Yeah, new game. I like that one. Yeah, I like that one. A large Satan eats you. Traps keep happening. Rope swings. I don't know how you do that, technically. I don't know how the hell you do that. View replay. Oh shoot, I fell? Okay. Damn it, okay. I need to like view the freaking results or something like that. Wait, R? Is it R? How do I grab technically? So now I press Z. Hold up. Yeah, I don't know how you grab. Hold up. Okay. So you press Z. What do you do to grab? O, P. Oh, cool. Okay, cool. And then boom to grab. Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay, cool. I don't remember that. Boom. No, god damn it. Okay, so I press Z. Okay, so. Okay, hold on. I gotta get this right. Okay, gotta get this right. So I press Z, then this. Okay, cool. Damn it! First, I need to jump though. Okay, I got it. Okay. Got it, almost! Damn it! Okay, cool. Damn it! Damn, I almost got you. I almost got him. That is the only thing that I like. Oh shoot, I pressed the wrong button. I almost got it though. What? Damn, this is a little bit hard. Boom. Come here. Right! That angle, it hurts. Damn it. Oh yeah, let me grab that. Okay. Damn it, again. I spent 4 minutes on that. Okay, so this and then this. God damn it. Okay, so I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, so Z first, Then this. Okay. Almost. Almost. Okay. Damn it. Okay. Next game. Bad bitch is the only thing that I like. I've seen this before and I like it. I'll take this guy. I ain't got no type. Yeah. A thing that I like. Shoot. I don't want to fall. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Damn it, okay. This is bad, this is bad. What is it taking me on? Oh, cool. Never mind. Robert, I think that I like. Hi. Shoot. How have I not even broken a thing? Okay, I'm gonna break something. Yeah, I broke something. Yeah, who cares about that? Okay, so rope swings keep it happening. It keeps happening. Yeah, I'll take Old Man Joe. That's what we're gonna name him. I like him because of this. Okay. God damn, okay. God, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'll make sure. That was brutal. You know what? That. Eh. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm telling you, I'm gonna make it. Okay, never mind. My body doesn't wanna. Ah, really? Baby, it's cold outside. Damn. Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Okay, this really kills you a lot. But baby, it's cold outside. Damn. Yo, this is brutal. Going down so fast. Oh my god. And it loops around again. Then. Okay, I'm gonna restart that. How about that? Dun, 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 dun. Baby, it's cold out. So guys, I'm actually sick. I know I sound like I'm fine. I'm not fine, I'm sick. But baby, it's cold outside. Okay. I guess I won, but uh, 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 God. Okay. Mm. Okay, Kashi. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget. Look, this is gonna be my new intro to look. Hold up. So this is gonna be my new thing to say on the end of the video. Okay. So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. It's 2:05 a.m. Not even tired, but yeah. I'm gonna wake up super late. Might be playing Fortnite. Upload a video. Yeah. Okay. This is another video, guys. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and comment. Keep on chasing your dreams. Keep on doing what you're doing. And keep on chasing your dreams. So, guys, it is currently the second day of this video. Yeah. I'm just gonna play for a minute. Okay, I forgot I was there. Restart level. I think we can do it this time. Or I believe. Last time I checked, that one sucked. No! Yes, comment. How does that even happen? Yeah. Okay, I gotta restart that. I don't know if I told you guys already, but I'm actually sick. Whee! I have never seen a dead body. Or I don't know. Damn it. My legs. Okay, next. Nope. Okay. Oh, so I think I gotta do this. Okay, hold up. Where is he? Wait, I'm a homeless man. Okay. Oh, God. Sorry. This. Damn it. Okay, don't lose all of it. You still have it in you. Yeah. God damn it. Oh, you know what I could have done? You guys saw that. God damn it. Okay. Don't break. I guess I'm dead. Look at that slow motion. Boom, 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 boom. I hope I don't break my head. I lost it. I like the Day of the Dead. Oh, I'm sorry. I said this is the end of the video, guys. Yesterday, yeah. So this is actually the end of this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And leave a comment down below. And if you go to my YouTube channel, hold on. Oh God. If you go to my YouTube channel and it goes to about, you see all of my bio. Yeah. So I'm signing off, guys. Well, not gonna technically. Oh, and thank you, Niji Habibi, Bibi, Niji, for leaving those comments. Bye.